Illinois Bone and Joint Institute is one of the largest independent orthopedic practices, and it's right here in Chicago. Their patient-centered space is designed to support you from the moment you walk in.
We spoke to their team to learn more about how they help those facing various injuries. Check it out.
Orthopedic sports medicine is interesting in that we see a wide range of types of patients, ages. My practice runs the whole gamut from preteen to 80s and 90-year-olds. Each patient has its own specific story. They have goals, they have expectations, and so our approach is always to try to identify what specific issue brings the patient in, what are their goals of treatment, and that way we can tailor what is a number of different types of approaches to try to get these patients back to where they want to be. Great. Diagnosis is critical. We need to understand what we're treating and why. That obviously allows us to tailor a specific treatment plan. And our approach is really to ask a lot of open-ended questions, try to get a better understanding of what their discomfort is, what their issue is, what their goals are, and then obviously applying all the tools that we have available to us diagnostically to get a diagnosis. And then once we clearly settle on that, then we find a treatment plan that's really modeled after their own specific expectations. We understand that a lot of orthopedic injuries are painful. People access us because they're in pain, and so we want to treat them carefully, use our tools that we have to help diagnose that specifically, but also make them feel comfortable. But then clearly the best part of it all for all of us is when they're completed with us and they've gone back to their life and their lifestyle that they really wanted to enjoy. I think that resonates through the whole staff, not just the physicians, when patients can say thanks and move on their way. What makes this such a neat resource compared to maybe some of the larger academic institutions is we're very involved directly with our patients. As physicians, most patients will interact directly with us from the very first visit. We certainly have a wonderful staff that helps marry in a lot of the issues that we need to bring in terms of helping with insurance and getting things processed and done. But I think the patients will feel very connected to the actual provider and the physician that's seeing them, both at the very beginning and then obviously throughout their course of treatment. I think patients will be pleasantly surprised at how accessible we are and what a nice space this is to achieve and receive health care.
I see a wide variety of conditions ranging from the common carpal tunnel syndrome to overuse injuries, tendonitis, and complex fractures of the hand and wrist. The goal is always to restore function and minimize downtime. All patients receive a customized treatment plan in rehab. I work closely with the therapists to ensure the best possible outcome for everybody so they can return back to their daily activities. This facility is set up for comfort, ease of access, and efficiency so we can meet all of our patients' needs for rehab.
For me, the most rewarding part is really getting patients back to doing what they love, whether it be competing on the field or it could be just being active with friends and family. So every patient is different, every injury is different, so we create a personalized plan. We start off with a detailed evaluation of the patient, do imaging here at IBJI, and then formulate a plan that's specific for that patient. What's special about this orthopedic center that we developed is that it was designed to provide complete musculoskeletal care all under one roof, from imaging to physical therapy to rehabilitation. We even have a surgical center here, so if patients should require surgery, we can perform them here.
All right, grab those phones and scan the QR code on your screen to learn more about Illinois Bone and Joint Institute. You can also visit IBJI.com or call to make an appointment today.